Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Microsoft identity is central. Sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox console and on the web. Once signed in, join Microsoft Rewards and accept the terms. This registers you to earn. Next, enable rewards on your Xbox profile and link Xbox Live, the Microsoft Store, and Edge so activity counts toward points. Do this now. Once done, confirm account linking in settings, and pick your country and notification preferences to capture rewards automatically. Once linked, focus on consistent earning habits. Start each session with daily sets and quizzes in the rewards dashboard and follow Xbox-specific quests. These often pay the fastest. Make searches with Bing and Edge. Small increments add up across days. Buy digital games or in-game content from the Microsoft Store while signed in to earn points for qualifying purchases, and play eligible Xbox games to collect achievement-based rewards. Track your progress on the rewards page and set a realistic daily point target to accelerate. Now convert points into value. Open the rewards catalog to redeem gift cards, Xbox Game Pass time, Microsoft Store credit, or entries into sweepstakes. You can claim codes on the web and redeem them directly on your Xbox, or apply digital balance to your Microsoft account for purchases. Make sure regional availability matches your account. If points fail to appear, sign out and back in, clear the console cache, and relink accounts. This commonly fixes sync delays. If problems persist, retry after 24 hours to allow server updates.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.